This, though, is a time lapse of yesterday. And watch the thunderstorms start popping up yesterday afternoon, especially after about 4 o'clock. And we see these little icons come on. Those are actually wind damage reports. And look at that cluster of storms went just south of downtown after about 5 o'clock yesterday. And then they finally exited southeastern Virginia. But all those little icons you see that pop up as this animates, those were all the wind damage reports as we had some severe thunderstorm warnings. And that first little batch of storms north of Richmond actually put down a flash flood warning. And we had multiple flash flood warnings after that with those storms that went to the south. There's another flood watch in effect for today. It's from 2 o'clock this afternoon through midnight tonight. We have one river flood warning down there in Surrey County. But here are the counties that are under the flood watch through this afternoon. Does not include Buckingham, Cumberland, Amelia, Nottoway counties and points south and southwest, although you could get some flooding with some thunderstorms. But the best chance of at least the highest threat of seeing some flooding are in the green counties, because if we see any rain in some of these locations, it'll cause flooding in a short amount of time.